Hi guys, today for this activity we are going to be creating a brochure. The brochure that we are going to create is going to be a trifold brochure. Keep in mind that a brochure is used to inform or advertise information such as a description of the AP program at a school or the pathways within each career cluster. It provides information, educate, or advertise a specific topic or product, and it describes a single entity in such detail such as a course or a product or service. And brochures are created for long-term publications, okay? So for this activity, we are actually going to use a template. We're going to click up in the area to search a template and type in the word brochure. Then we're going to hit enter on our keyboard. The brochure that we are going to use is going to be a trifold one. So we're going to go ahead and we are going to pick the business trifold brochure. Once we click on it, we are then going to click create. And it is going to open up. What you will notice is that on the first page, so when you go over to the left-hand side, you will see pages 1 and pages 2. Page 1 is going to be what shows. That is the back side of your brochure. And then page 2 is going to be the inside of your brochure, or where all of the information is. For this activity, we're going to create a brochure that is called Principles of Design. Okay, your handout for this brochure is going to be up at the front table. We will be deleting certain things and basically taking out different stuff so that we can add our information in. One thing that you may want to do is show the different guides for this brochure so that you are not deleting or taking out the areas in which you are not to type in, so that once it is folded, it will be folded neatly and we are able to see the effects of actually having a brochure. So we're going to click on the View tab. Then we are going to click Guides. When we click the guides, you will see the different lines pop up. We are also going to go ahead and click Boundaries and put that in, and we are going to leave it like that. So now you kind of have an idea of where your boundaries and where the panels are that you're going to be typing in. So to get started, we are going to actually take out the words here. And what we're going to actually do is kind of make that box a little bit bigger. And we are going to click Insert, Online Pictures. And what we are going to try to do is find like the Mighty Mustangs emblem or anything that is basically a Mustang picture or something school related. Now, I will say that some of the pictures, they can be your own. I'm not a stickler on the different pictures. Just make sure that they do flow and go along with what we are wanting to create or have the concept of. So I am, and you can also get your pictures off of the internet. You don't necessarily have to come here. You can actually go to the internet and get your different pictures. Okay. So I'm going to keep trying to get the picture that I want. I'm going to, and for this, I'm just going to go ahead and be quick about it and just select a picture. But you may want to go on the internet as well to actually get the picture that looks more like or resembles what is on the handout. Okay. So then, of course, for this one, I'm going to stretch it up, make sure that I'm staying within the boundary lines that are already set. Yes, this picture is blurry, but I'm just trying to do this for you guys to actually get the concept. Next thing I'm going to do is I am going to insert a text box. So I'm going to click insert and then I'm going to draw a text box. For this activity, you will notice you will draw different text boxes, especially if they are not already presented or present there. I am then going to also increase my text and possibly change it. So I do want you to be a little creative with what you are doing. And I'm going to select this particular one and I'm going to type in capital letters and bolded principle of design. Now, oh yes, I do want this to be centered. And what I will do is come here because I don't want my words cut off and do something of that nature so that it is more centered and inside this box. Now, yes, I can make that a little bigger as well. Then what I'm going to do is all this different little stuff, I clicked on it just so that we can delete it because I don't need it. I'm also going to click on this here because, again, I do not need it, so I deleted that. Then I'm also going to draw another text box, and in this text box is where you're going to indicate your name and your class period. Okay, so in the fact that this is fall 27, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put fall. And yes, I do want to make this font a little bit bigger so that we can read it. And I'll probably go ahead and change that font text as well. And I'm going to put in fall 2017. I'm going to include my name. And then I'm going to put basically the class. So what period? And so you need to pick like third period, fourth period, or your seventh period class. And then I'm going to include today's date. Okay. Next, what I'm going to do is in the middle section, I can leave this here. And what I am actually going to do is just put Mac Williams Middle School. Okay, so I'm going to actually type in Mac Williams Middle School. I can come down below and delete this information and actually put in the address of the school. And it is okay if this is a little bit smaller, because what you must remember is at this point in time, you look at the percentage of your magnification of your screen, you will see you're at a 59%. If I increase it to be at 100%, which by the time it is printed, it is going to be at 100%, this is what it would actually look like, okay? Then on this side here, I'm going to delete this information. And I am basically going to put another picture. So I'm going to do insert, online pictures. I'm going to be looking for a Mustang once again. And like I said, you do have some leniency of what type of pictures, but for this activity, kind of keep it